In this episode of Finance for 20s, I'll be sharing with you 8 ideas to save more money every month. Now, saving money each month may seem like a hard task, but it doesn't have to be. Saving money consistently is an essential financial habit everyone needs to develop, as it is one of the critical components of personal finance. So I have put together 8 ideas that can help you save more money every month in this video. And these are ideas that you can start now and develop over time. So grab a pen and a jotter now and watch along. The first idea is to track your expenses. Now, if you really want to increase your savings, the first major step you need to take is to start tracking your expenses. That is, know where your money is going every month. You can use apps or spreadsheets to make it easier. You can write down your income, write down your expenses, and how much you are spending on each one. This is really going to help you a lot. Number 2 is to increase your income. Now, the next step is to start looking for how to increase how much you make. If you have a job, you can request for an increase in your salary, or you can start a side hustle or a business, or you can start creating more sources of income. This will allow you to have more money to put in your savings or even in your investments. The third tip is to use the 50-30-20 rule. Now, there's no better way to manage your income than using the 50-30-20 rule of money. You try to use this rule to manage your money, as it is a great idea to save more money each month. Now, this rule simply means that 50% of your income goes into your needs. That is the things you can't do without, like your food, your shelter, your clothes, and so on. And then 30% goes into your wants. So these are the expenses that you can live without but still enjoy your life. They are things you can buy for fun or for leisure. Then 20% goes into your savings or your investment. Now, you need to know that you don't have to make it 50-30-20. Yours can be 60-10-30 or 50-10-40 or whichever one works for you. But the one I use is the 50-30-20 rule. The fourth idea is to have a savings goal. Now, have a specific and realistic savings goal. Your goal might be to save maybe $5,000 in a year, or maybe $2,000 in a month, or to have an amount of money in your emergency fund at the end of the year. But make sure that you put into consideration your income and your expenses when you are setting your savings goal, because this will actually motivate you to save more consistently. Number 5 is to cancel unnecessary subscriptions. Now, these days, we now have so many apps and services that we can subscribe to on our phones, like streaming services and so on. Now, some of these subscriptions do add up to a lot if you calculate them. So take a look at all your subscriptions and see the ones you don't use at all or the ones you don't use regularly and cancel them. The next one is to use high interest savings accounts. Now, the best way to save your money and maximize your savings is to use a high interest savings app. Now, there are some finance apps out there that can allow you to save money, and they pay you interest rates that are higher than the ones you get in the banks. And I can recommend apps like Carrywise and Piggyvest in Nigeria. I've been using these apps for over 5 years now, and they have really helped me save a lot of money. The next one is to automate your savings. Now, there are so many high interest savings apps out there that can allow you to set up automatic transfers from your bank account or from your bank card to your savings account every day, every week, or every month. Now, this way, you don't have to do any additional work or spend time and energy thinking about making a transfer to your savings account. And this idea or this strategy can really help you save a lot of money, especially if you have a savings goal or if you lack the habit of saving money. The next way to save more money is to avoid impulse buying. Now, I always advise that before you buy anything, especially expensive items, ensure you take time to consider why you need the items before buying them. Avoid impulse buying and only spend money on items that you genuinely need or that will truly bring you value. So in conclusion, saving money in your 20s is crucial for building a strong financial foundation for the future, and by implementing these 8 ideas I've shared in this video, you can take control of your finances and develop money saving habits for yourself. These strategies will also help you save more money every month and also set yourself up for financial success. So start implementing these ideas today and watch your savings grow over time. And if you want to know more about how to get rich fast in your 20s in just 6 steps, you can watch this video right here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.